Welcome to the My Properties console. This is your personal command center for managing your inventory. The console is divided into 5 lifecycle tabs: Draft, Online, Offline, Expired, and Sold. To begin, simply click the Add Property button. Show New Item appearing in Draft tab. Every time you click this, a fresh, blank listing is automatically saved into your Draft tab. You can proceed to update it immediately or delete it if it is no longer required. Now, a crucial rule for managing your listings. To ensure data integrity, if you want to edit or delete an existing live property, you must first move it back here to the Draft tab. To edit any draft, click the Settings button and choose Edit. This opens our 4-step wizard. First is Search Metric. Fill these fields accurately to optimize your listing for search engines, helping visitors find your property easily. Note that the Varia field is optional. This saves you time if a specific area isn't currently in our system list. Click Save and Continue. Next is Property Details. Here you fill in the features and facilities. We've made this flexible. You can easily add custom features that aren't on the default list. In the Media section, you can upload your display or cover image. Depending on your subscription plan, you can upload up to 20 gallery images and 1 video. Finally, the Agent-Only section. This is your private vault. Any notes regarding the owner, appointments, or negotiations written here are strictly for your eyes only. Once finished, click Save and Exit. To publish, click the Settings button on the draft and select Move to Online. Now, let's look at the Online tab. Under the Settings button, you have 4 key actions. If you need to temporarily pause promoting a listing, select Move to Offline. This removes it from the website but keeps the data safe. Select Do Not Share in Group if you want this listing to appear only on your personal website, but not on your company or group website. You can revert this at any time. When you close a deal, select Move to Sold. The system will ask, "Was this property sold by you?" If you toggle YES, this property will automatically appear in the Property Sold section of your group website, sorted by the sold date. This is vital for building your track record. The Expired tab. Click Expired tab. A quick note on the Expired tab: you cannot move items here manually. This happens automatically if your subscription plan expires or you run out of quota. Once you renew your plan, you will need to manually move these listings back to online one by one. The Sold tab acts as your personal trophy cabinet. You can keep listings here for future reference or delete them to free up your property quota. Finally, let's talk about visibility. Use the Repost button frequently. This updates the listing with today's date, pushing it to the top of the website search results. We also have a Share button for your Facebook page. This requires a Facebook token configuration in your settings. However, please note that due to Facebook's strict privacy policies and frequent API updates, this feature can be unstable. For the best results, we recommend sharing the link manually. Thank you for watching.